Hi class, let's take a look at example 3. In example 3 is straightforward except for this portion. Now, because it says per day, you're going to assume that, well, this is going to be 2 times 30 days, unless they tell you something else. And the something else is because what they told us to evaluate on the previous one, they didn't say 365, they said 360. So it's possible that there could be looking at some adjustment for this portion, which will change your answer a little bit. Now, let's actually find the interest. So I is equal to PRT, and the principal in this case, wait, let me fix my formula. So this is PRT, 575 times 0.045 over 100 times the values of 60. And in this case, please evaluate. I'm getting that the total interest, it's 15.53. That would be our main answer. All of these go with a sentence because they could change the actual amount or the actual interest. So the total amount of interest it's $15.53. That is it for this one.